government of Dominican Republic has an urgent message to issue. I repeat, the government of Dominican Republic has an urgent message to issue. This broadcast has been changed and translated for English speakers. This broadcast has been put together quick. We apologize for quality issues. At around 4:38 p.m. on May 16, 1980, 3 people have been confirmed missing. They are all workers for the company in Gen, who were working in the Mano Dios amber mine. Since police are still investigating the situation, we will update you as we get more information. To stay safe, please stay away from the mines, as well as any other caves around them, as we are yet to solve the reason for these disappearances. Thank you for your cooperation. Regular scheduled programs will now play.